Let me ask you something a little uncomfortable. What if I told you your body is slowly breaking down, and you don't even feel it happening? If you're over 60, there's a silent thief at work inside your body, stealing your strength, your mobility, and even your independence. And it's not just age. It's something deeper, something called collagen loss. And here's the shocking part, 90% of seniors have no idea it's happening. The numbness in your hands. The stiffness in your knees. That weakness in your legs when you stand up too fast. It's not just getting older. It's your body's way of waving a red flag, begging for support. But there's good news. And it's not in a bottle, it's in your kitchen. Today, I'll walk you through 8 powerful vegetables that naturally help your body rebuild collagen, ranked from least to most effective. And let me tell you, vegetable number 3 is a total game changer. It's been shown to help repair damaged cartilage and reduce nerve pain by up to 40% in just a few weeks. Stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly what to eat, you'll understand why it works. But first, I'd love to know, are you feeling the aches more in your hands or your legs? And where are you watching from? I love seeing our community from all across the country. Leave a quick comment below and I promise, we read and reply to every single one. Hey, before we go further, if you care about your health, and want to feel strong, supported, and informed every day, take a second to subscribe to this channel. We make every video with your needs in mind, backed by science, and delivered in a way that's easy to understand. So don't just watch, like, comment, share this with a loved one, and check out the other videos on our channel. They're all created for people just like you. Alright, let's dig into the vegetables. Vegetable number 8, red bell peppers. Let's start with one you probably already have in your fridge, red bell peppers. They might look like nothing more than a colorful topping for your salad, but they're actually one of the most powerful tools your body has to fight collagen loss. Why? Because they're packed with vitamin C, and your body can't build collagen without it. Now, here's where it gets serious. After 60, your collagen production drops fast. For many people, it practically flatlines. But just half a cup of raw red bell pepper gives you more than 150% of your daily vitamin C. That one simple step fuels your body's collagen-building enzymes, helping you maintain strength, flexibility, and faster healing. And there's more. Red bell peppers contain capsanthin, a rare antioxidant that helps protect your joints and nerves from oxidative stress, especially in high-wear areas like your knees, wrists, and ankles. But, and this is important, don't cook them too long. Heat destroys vitamin C. So toss them raw into a salad, dip them in hummus, or add them at the very end of a stir-fry. This one veggie might seem small, but it's working overtime to protect your joints, ease nerve pain, and help your body hold on to its collagen. Vegetable number 7, spinach. Next up, spinach. Soft, leafy, and often pushed to the side of the plate. But don't underestimate it. Spinach is like a collagen guardian, quietly defending your joints, nerves, and blood flow. Why? It's not just one nutrient, it's the combination that makes spinach so powerful. First, it's high in vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. That helps regulate the genes that control collagen production. Without enough vitamin A, the cells responsible for making collagen, your fibroblasts, start to shut down. Then there's lutein and chlorophyll, natural anti-inflammatories that help flush out toxins and reduce swelling in your joints and tissues. That means less of that burning, pinching, or numbness you might feel in your fingers or back. And don't forget about magnesium. Over 60% of older adults don't get enough. But magnesium is critical for muscle function, nerve signals, and, you guessed it, collagen-building enzymes. A 2018 study found that seniors with higher magnesium intake had stronger connective tissue and were less likely to suffer from things like sciatica and carpal tunnel. And one last bonus, spinach is high in natural nitrates, which improve circulation. That means more oxygen and nutrients get to your knees, fingers, and toes, speeding up healing and reducing those annoying pins and needles. If your knees ache climbing stairs, or your hands go numb holding your phone, spinach isn't optional. It's essential. Vegetable number 6, okra. Now, I know what you're thinking, not okra. But stay with me here. This slimy green veggie might just be your joint's best friend. Okra is rich in mucilage, a natural gel-like fiber that does more than support digestion. It actually acts like a cushion for your joints, coating them to reduce friction, grind, and inflammation. As your collagen drops with age, your joints can dry out and become brittle. Mucilage steps in as a kind of plant-based joint lubricant. But that's just the beginning. Okra also contains pectin, polyphenol, and a rare compound called rhamnogalacturonin, which stimulate collagen production and fight oxidative damage that breaks down cartilage. A 2021 study even found that okra extract not only reduced inflammation, it helped regenerate damaged cartilage. That's huge. Because when seniors say, "My knees ache," or "My hands tingle," a lot of the time it's not just muscle loss. It's collagen breakdown inside the joints and nerve linings. And here's something else, okra delivers the ultimate collagen-boosting trio. Vitamin K, which helps send calcium into your bones instead of your joints. Vitamin C, to activate collagen-building enzymes. Manganese, which helps form proline, one of collagen's main building blocks. Plus, it has quercetin and other flavonoids that protect your nerves. So if you wake up stiff, if your fingers go numb at night, if your knees ache when you stand, okra's not just a vegetable. It's a full-body repair kit. Vegetable number 5, broccoli. You probably didn't expect to see broccoli this far down the list, but don't underestimate it. You know that crunch when your knees bend? That stiffness in your ankles? The weaker grip when you open a jar? Broccoli might be the answer. Why? One word, sulforaphane. This powerful compound activates your body's natural detox and repair systems, right down to the fibroblasts that produce collagen. A 2020 study showed that sulforaphane not only protected these critical cells, it reduced inflammation and helped speed up cartilage healing. And broccoli's not done yet. It's loaded with vitamin C, for collagen building. Vitamin K, for bone strength. Calcium, to support structure. Glucosinolates, to fight inflammation and protect existing collagen. For seniors dealing with tingling hands, burning feet, or just overall muscle weakness, broccoli's antioxidants help calm the nerves and improve communication between your brain and body. And if you're keeping an eye on blood sugar, which you should be, great news. Broccoli's high fiber helps stabilize glucose levels. Why does that matter? Because high blood sugar speeds up collagen damage through a process called glycation, making your joints stiff and prone to injury. So the next time broccoli's on your plate, don't push it aside. It might be the secret weapon your joints have been waiting for. Vegetable number 4, beets. And coming in at number 4, beets. Now, this one is a little different. Because the power of beets isn't just in collagen, it's in blood flow. You ever feel like your legs are heavy? Like it's hard to get moving, or your feet go cold for no reason? That's not just weak muscles. That's poor circulation, and your collagen is paying the price. But beets can help. Big time. They're packed with nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a compound that helps open up blood vessels and flood tissues with oxygen and nutrients. That's how your collagen-making cells stay alive and active. Without good circulation, healing slows down, nerve pain increases, and collagen production grinds to a halt. But with beets, everything starts to move again. So beets don't just improve blood flow, they help restore the collagen highways your body depends on. That's how you bring life back to your legs, fingers, and joints. Now, let's move on to the top 3 collagen-boosting vegetables, starting with one you probably never expected. Vegetable number 3, seaweed. Okay, I know what you're thinking, seaweed? Really? Yes. It's slippery. It's strange. And most people over 60 wouldn't dream of eating it. But if your joints ache, your tendons feel stiff, or your nerves burn or tingle, seaweed might be exactly what your body's been quietly begging for. Why? Because seaweed is loaded with rare minerals and sugars that most seniors are missing, minerals your body needs to build collagen and repair damaged tissue. Let's break it down. Seaweed is rich in iodine, alginates, and a powerful sugar compound called fucoidan. These all work together to stimulate fibroblasts, the same cells your body uses to make collagen and rebuild your internal scaffolding. And here's something many people don't know: collagen production doesn't just depend on protein or vitamin C. It also requires trace minerals like zinc, copper, and manganese, all of which seaweed delivers in highly absorbable forms. Without them, your joints stay tight. Your tendons dry out. Your nerves get exposed and irritated. Multiple studies, including those published in Marine Drugs and the International Journal of Biological Macromolecules, found that fucoidan boosts collagen production, reduces inflammation, and improves tissue resilience, especially in aging bodies. And it doesn't stop there. Seaweed also contains plant-based omega-3s, sterols, and natural iodine, which supports your thyroid, the organ that controls how fast your body heals. If your thyroid is running low, you might feel cold, sluggish, or slow to recover. You may even have numb hands or feet. That's a red flag for deeper collagen breakdown. But just a little seaweed can help reverse those signs. In one 2021 study, seniors who took seaweed extract daily for just 4 weeks experienced less joint pain and faster tendon recovery, with no other changes to their diet. So don't overlook this one. Start with low-sodium, oil-free nori sheets or unsweetened seaweed snacks. Sprinkle them on salads, crumble them into soup, or blend a small piece into a smoothie. You won't taste it, but your joints, nerves, and skin will definitely notice the difference. Vegetable number 2, asparagus. Yes, that elegant green spear you've seen on fancy dinner plates might actually be a collagen rescue kit in disguise. After 60, your connective tissue begins to wear thin, joints loosen, skin loses elasticity, and muscles weaken. But asparagus delivers what your body desperately needs to push back. At the heart of asparagus's power is something called glutathione, a master antioxidant that directly protects and repairs collagen fibers. Glutathione acts like armor, shielding your joints, skin, and nerves from free radical damage and inflammation. Low glutathione levels are linked to chronic joint pain, slow wound healing, and faster tissue aging. But here's the good news: a 2020 study in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity showed that seniors with higher glutathione levels had stronger bones, denser collagen, and fewer signs of joint degeneration. And asparagus doesn't stop at protection. It helps rebuild, too. It's high in vitamin K, which guides calcium into your bones, not your joints or arteries. That's important, because as we age, calcium often builds up in the wrong places, causing stiffness, joint pain, and nerve compression. Vitamin K gently redirects that calcium back into your skeleton, preserving the collagen-rich soft tissue that keeps you flexible and strong. And then there's folate, a B vitamin essential for DNA repair and tissue renewal. Without enough folate, healing slows down, muscles weaken, and your collagen framework starts to fray. Finally, asparagus also feeds your gut microbiome, thanks to its natural prebiotic fiber. A healthy gut helps you absorb and activate nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, and zinc, the exact materials your body needs to rebuild collagen. So don't think of asparagus as just another side dish. Think of it as a collagen catalyst, silently working to repair the structural damage that aging leaves behind. Vegetable number 1, parsley. And here we are, the #1 most surprising collagen booster. Parsley. Yep, that little green sprig that most people treat like a plate decoration. Turns out, it's one of the most powerful healing tools sitting in your kitchen. Let's break this down. Gram for gram, parsley contains more vitamin C and vitamin K than nearly any other vegetable. In fact, just one handful has more vitamin C than an orange. Why is that a game changer? Because vitamin C isn't optional when it comes to collagen. It's the core ingredient. Your body literally cannot build or repair collagen without it, no matter how much protein or powder you take. And after 60, your natural collagen production has already slowed down. If you want to tip the balance in your favor, you need fuel, and parsley delivers it in a powerful dose. A 2022 study in Nutrients found that seniors with higher vitamin C intake had stronger tendons, more flexible joints, and thicker collagen layers, especially in the knees and hands. But parsley does even more. It contains apigenin, a plant flavonoid that directly calms inflammation inside your fibroblasts, the very cells that build collagen. That means parsley helps you keep the collagen you've built, instead of losing it to chronic wear and tear. For seniors dealing with arthritis, nerve pain, or inflammation, apigenin is a huge asset. It slows down tissue destruction and helps preserve your mobility. And yes, parsley also supports glutathione production, protecting your joints, skin, and ligaments from hidden toxins and oxidative stress. Its high chlorophyll content even improves oxygen delivery, helping your muscles and joints recover more quickly after use. And the best part? It's easy to add to your routine. Toss a handful into a salad, stir it into soup, blend it into a smoothie, or sprinkle over eggs or roasted veggies. Just a few tablespoons a day can wake up tired tissues, calm irritated joints, and breathe life back into your body. So there you have it, 8 powerful vegetables, all backed by science, all working together to support your body's natural collagen production. Red bell peppers, spinach, okra, broccoli, beets, seaweed, asparagus, and yes, parsley. These aren't just healthy foods. They're your natural defense system against the breakdown of strength, balance, and vitality that comes with age. You don't need expensive powders, miracle creams, or injections. What you need is real food, eaten consistently and intentionally. Start with just one tomorrow. Every small step you take brings you closer to stronger joints, better mobility, and a more energized life. Now I want to hear from you. What are you feeling more lately? Tingling hands, aching joints, or weak legs? Drop it in the comments below. We read every single one. And if this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. We post weekly tips right here on Senior Health Tips Today, to help you stay strong, steady, and thriving after 60. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stronger, healthier you.